everyone, and I'm here to explain my new another project, that is click counter page text. And this is pom.xml file where I have used different plugins, that is Maven plugins, and the dependencies. Here the dependencies I have used is Selenium Java, Test ng, and Cucumber Java. Cucumber is a tool where we'll use behavior driven development approach. This is a tool that is used to write the behavior driven development approach. This is io.cucumber test ng. And coming to the here, we'll use a feature file that is in resources. We'll create another features package. In that features package, have created a file called click counter functionality feature. This is click counter functionality features. Here we'll use different keywords to write this feature file. So feature, where will include the high level definition of that particular test scenario, that is click counter functionality, and the scenario is the test the counter functionality. So these are the keywords: given, when, then, and but. These are the keywords used to define particular statement. So given that I am on the click counter page, and when I click on the click me button 5 times, then the expected text should be 5. This is about the feature and the scenario and the given, when, then button. When I click on this particular click counter page, when I click on the click me button 5 times, then the expected output should be 5. This feature file is combined with step definitions. That is, in Java we have created another package called step definition. In that we'll create a class called Java class click counter functionality steps. So I have imported different classes, and this is the package called step definition. In that package I have created click counter functionality steps class, that is Java class. So I have imported different Cucumber Java annotations, and these are the keywords used. uh, So to define particular statement in the feature file. So I've used different classes annotations for this particular page, and the class name is click counter functionality steps. Have created an instance of WebDriver, and here at the rate before annotation is used, same like in test ng we have used at the rate before method annotation. Here at the rate before method in Cucumber Java. So I've used public void setup method, system.setProperty, webdriver.chrome.driver. Here this is we know that system.setProperty method is used to find where the executable files are located on the system and to interact with the Chrome browser. So I have created an instance for the Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver, and have used after method, public void teardown driver.quit. Driver.quit method is used to execute to close all the open tabs windows of that particular page. So at the rate given, so this particular statement is paired up with the feature files given. I am on the login page. If it will matches the particular statement, so I am on the click counter page, it should match this particular I am on the click counter page. It should match, otherwise it will throw an error. So I have written here public void I am on the click counter page. So driver.get, I am navigating to that particular click counter page, and when I click on the click me button 5 times, so I have created a method. I click on the click me button, so I created a for loop for in I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So a driver dot find element, I am using find element method to find a particular element by using by class, using class name locator. Class name is button dot click on that particular button, then the expected output should be 5. So string expected output is 5. String actual text driver dot find element by dot class name counter value. So I am using by dot class name counter value dot get text method. Get text method is used to retrieve the text present on that particular web element. So assert, I'm using assert class to find whether the expected and the actual outcomes are matching or not. So this will show an error if the expected and the actual outcomes are not same. So it will throw a message called as click counter text does not match. So this is about the um, step definitions file. So I have created another class called text runner class in Java. So I have imported all the Cucumber testng Cucumber options class, and I have imported io.cucumber.testng.abstract testng Cucumber test here. And at the rate Cucumber options feature is equal to, here I am giving the path of the feature file located. So src, that is src test, and resources, in resources it should look for feature file. So this is a feature file. So I'm creating a class called test runner extending abstract test engines Cucumber test. So this is used to execute the feature file and the steps that have included in the step definitions file. So these in, both will combine together, and here I will execute this particular BDD approach. This is a BDD approach I have written in BDD approach, that is behavior driven development. Behavior driven development is is an approach that emphasizes collaborations between the non-technical stakeholders and QA testers and QA engineers and all. Uh, it it is written in a simple language that should be understandable by everyone, so that this approach is used. So I've run the test case, so it is passed. This is about this particular page is written in BDD approach, that is behavior driven development, and the features and the scenarios, these are all the keywords used in behavior driven development. And this is a package called step definitions I have told earlier. So this is about my new project, that is click counter page test. Thank you, and thank you everyone.